Okay, I hope you can hear me. When it comes to studying the coronavirus and the way that we've handled it, Sweden always comes up because they basically didn't go into lockdown like the rest of the world did in 2020 and just tried to carry on normal. Um, you could compare Sweden's red one there in the graph to the United Kingdom, and you could see that it hasn't done much worse than the United Kingdom. This is relative to the population. Um, so in that sense, like it seems to have helped. But most people do not want to compare Sweden to the United Kingdom because they're in different regions, different, I don't know, habits, whatever. So I want to take out UK, take out the UK, I think I said England. Okay, and just compare Sweden to Norway and Finland. And we're going to look at first the number of cases. And you can see that the number of cases in Sweden sort of rocketed. It didn't get all that many here. A lot of people died though, because when the pandemic first started, we didn't quite know how to treat people. We got into panics, and uh, we sort of got better. So you'll find the number of people died in this little surge is probably the same as the number that died in this surge. Number of cases per million is interesting because now Sweden is going down compared to Finland and Norway that are going up. And we can look at the vaccinations in each of those countries. So I'm going to look at the vaccine by dose. And we see Sweden is equally vaccinated as Norway, slightly less than Finland. Actually, Sweden's at the bottom of the list, but not by much. And then we look at deaths again, and you can see here that Sweden is doing slightly better than Norway and Finland. I wouldn't say it's great. We don't know what's going to happen here again. We had a situation last year was around here where things just took off. And it's basically because the coronavirus likes cold weather, winters, and Sweden were still very open in this period, so they had a lot more deaths. So even though it's gone down here, we may find that Sweden will start to go up. If you look at the graph back here, it might just go up suddenly. I wanted to just add a little bit more. Let me put the UK up. I forgot to say this, but Sweden, in terms of its early exposure, lots of people may have developed like a natural immunity to the virus, or at least help in some way, even they still get sick. Because what's happening here is that the number of deaths in all these other countries is going up, and Sweden's not. And not just that, the cases are going up too. Of course, here we go. I mean, it's quite noticeable. Look at the difference of the UK and Sweden. I mean, that's amazing.